Hi, today I'll show you how you will join your Zoom on a Zoom call using your Zoom ID. Now I am going to Zoom.us. After the Zoom.us, I will join a meeting. Click on the join a meeting. So I have the Zoom ID already. I know that this is the Zoom ID. I'm going to get the Zoom ID. I'm going to press the join. Okay, do you see I don't have the Zoom client, so it will ask to download the Zoom client. I'm going to download the Zoom client. This is the Zoom client. Now I need to open my Zoom client. I'm going to double click on it. I'm using Chrome browser. It will start installing. Okay, it's almost complete. So after install the Zoom client, you need to press the launch button. I'm going to press the launch meeting. It will ask to open the Zoom meeting. It's opening the Zoom application meeting. Now it's opening the Zoom client that earlier we downloaded. You see. It will ask you you want to join with video or without video. So I'm going to join without video. I'm going to join with audio. I'm going to close it. Okay, join with system audio.